dark. Fuck! Anyway. No, you son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Fuck! Fuck you! Your father's uncle's brother is adopted. You should go kill yourself. In fact, I'm gonna give you a tutorial. First, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get a rope, put it around your neck, get a ceiling fan, tie it there, and then hang yourself. But no, you're probably so fucking fat, you'll probably break the ceiling fan. Fuck you! Ugh. Ugh. This makes me need, I need an energy drink. None left. Fuck!
Du har gått tom for energidrikk. Du har 20 minutter på deg på å fylle meg opp igjen. Eller så går jeg i lufta. Mann.
Change language.
Ere suna para.
Change language.
Cand Caff.
Change language. English.
You have run out of energy drinks. You have 20 minutes to restock or I will self-destruct.
Ah. These fucking stairs. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh yes, finally. Woo. Okay, no big deal. I just need to go to the store, get an energy drink, and come right back here. Okay.
It's so awful. No bitches whoever reads it. And I'm reading it. Where is it? Go juice. I see the store.
I don't have a lot of time. I need to get an energy drink from the store.
Hey there, young man. There aren't any drinks left in the store. I was the last one. You know, my name is...
I did not care, and I do not ask. Now, give it to me.
I can't let you do that.
What are you gonna do about it, huh? Look at you. You got no homes. You got no HP. You're nothing.
You know, I own a dojo, you know, right down the street here. I'll fight you to the end of time for this fucking energy drink I have.
Well, then do it then. Come on, right now. Oh, I see. It is down. It is down like funky town.
Oh, you're done for, mister. You are so done for. Yeah, come on, pump up. I can't win. He's too strong.
Powder, but anything's keeping me alive.
The drink. The drink is mine. No. The power. The power. The power of the blood is mine! Your time is finished! Are you done? You hold the power? And that is what you get for messing with a gamer. No. 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 What have I done? What have I done? No. No!
Man, what am I gonna fucking do? Oh, I don't have the energy drink. The fridge is gonna explode. God. Oh. Oh. Man. Oh no, not these stairs again.
Shit my pants.
Oh, fuck. Okay, nothing came out. Okay. Yes! 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 Now I can play video games and CSGO with my friends. Oh shit, the cops! I'm not going back to jail!